Today I'll teach you how to perform the box squat. So just as a reminder, the squat exercise is a great movement to improve strength, mobility, and movement patterns for less joint pain as we get older. But obviously, if you're somebody that's dealing with knee pain or back pain, or you've never done a squat before, it can be a little bit intimidating. And the last thing we want to do is aggravate any sort of pain that you're dealing with while performing the squat. So the box squat is a great exercise because it's a safer variation of the squat that lets you learn the movement in a safer environment. And again, when we're building strength for less joint pain, safety is the #1 priority. So to perform, all you need is a box or a chair or a bench. Again, you want it about chair height. You're going to stand right in front of it, facing away from the box. You're going to find your squat stance. And then to perform, it's relatively easy. There's 2 different variations. Let's start with the safest, or where you want to start if you're really not comfortable with this exercise. And all you're going to do is send the hips back and then drop them down. And you're actually going to sit down. And then from there, you're going to use your legs and press up off the ground to stand back up. And then I'll send my hips back. And again, sink down, and I'll actually sit all the way down. Now, once you feel comfortable with that, then the goal is to perform the box squat, but you're just going to tap the box. So what it's going to look like is, again, I'm going to send my hips back, drop it, and then a quick tap, and come back up. And so again, that box behind you just provides a little bit of safety to protect your joints. And then again, the goal is get comfortable with this box squat. Then you can move the box away and start doing full air squats where you don't need to tap anything behind you. And that'll help you learn how to squat.